Confusing animal words part 1. Some animals look similar but they are actually different. Let's check out some example. Rabbit versus hare. Rabbits are smaller, live in holes, and usually are social animals. Hares are bigger, have longer legs, live above ground, and are wild animals. Tortoise versus turtle. A tortoise has a dome-shaped shell, live on land, and move slowly. Turtle has webbed feet, lives in water for swimming, and loves water. Frog versus toad. Frogs have smooth skin, jump high, and stay near water. Toads have bumpy skin, walk more than jump, and prefer dry places. Alligator versus crocodile. Alligators live in rivers, have U-shaped snouts, and are found in fresh water. Crocodiles live in salt water, have V-shaped snouts, and have sharp teeth. Cheetah versus leopard. Cheetahs are built for speed, have slim bodies and black tear marks, and are the fastest land animals. Leopards are powerful hunters, have stocky builds and rosette-shaped spots, and climb trees. Dolphin versus porpoise. Dolphins are very smart, have a longer nose and curved dorsal fin, and are playful. Porpoises are shy, have a shorter nose and triangular dorsal fin, and are less social. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.